if we connect the jumper cable for the service light, that gives you like your diagnostic codes on your dashboard. See that? The immobiliser key has started to work. The good news is that these keys are coded to this bike and that ECU. So we're getting there now. Now we just need to try and get this fuel injection light powered up. Gone through everything and everything's in the right place, and we've still not got any fuel injection system coming on. Cross the wrong wires, which will prime the relay, but it also burns out the ECU.